This checkbox, when I click it, the entire card transforms. New color, new badge, new button. The other cards fade. This is CSS:has, the parent selector that's rewriting how we build UIs. Let's build this interactive pricing card. Here's the HTML. A card div, a radio input, some content, and a button. 3 cards total. 1 for Starter, Pro, and Enterprise. Style the card normally. Dark background, border radius. Hide the radio input. We don't need to see it. Here's where it gets interesting. Normally, CSS can only style children from a parent. CSS reverses that. It lets you style a parent based on what's inside it. We write card has input checked. This targets the card only when its checkbox is checked. Look at that. Now we add the most popular badge. Hidden by default. Only appears when that card is selected. Badge appears exactly when we need it. Gone when we don't. The button changes too. Background fills in. It scales slightly. All from the same has parents selector. Now, the really powerful part. We use has parents across siblings. When one card is selected, the others fade. Read that again. A parent is reacting to a child's state and styling a completely different sibling. In pure CSS. No JavaScript. Browser support. Chrome, Safari, Firefox, Edge, full support. No polyfill. Everywhere. Like and subscribe for more CSS power moves. Drop a comment. What's the first UI you'd build with has? See you in the next one.